Welcome back to Automotive RX, your ultimate destination for expert car repair tips and maintenance hacks. Today, we're delving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to save thousands on car repairs. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a newbie to the world of automotive maintenance, there's something valuable here for everyone. So, grab your wrenches and let's dive in. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of regular maintenance. It's no secret that staying on top of routine tasks like oil changes, checking fluid levels, and inspecting brakes can extend the lifespan of your vehicle and prevent costly repairs down the line. By investing a little time and effort into basic maintenance, you'll save yourself a fortune in the long run. But what about those inevitable repairs that crop up unexpectedly? That's where DIY skills come in handy. From replacing worn-out brake pads to fixing minor electrical issues, learning how to perform basic repairs yourself can save you a bundle in labor costs. Plus, there's a sense of satisfaction that comes with getting your hands dirty and fixing your own car. Now, let's talk money. When it comes to car repairs, shopping around is key. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Get multiple estimates from different mechanics and explore options for purchasing parts online. You'd be surprised at how much you can save by comparing prices and negotiating with service providers. Remember, every dollar saved on repairs is a dollar you can put towards your next adventure on the road. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions from our viewers. One question we often get is, are aftermarket parts just as good as OEM parts? The answer depends on the part and your specific needs. While OEM parts are designed to meet the manufacturer's specifications, aftermarket parts can sometimes offer a more affordable alternative without sacrificing quality. It's essential to do your research and choose parts that best suit your vehicle and budget. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our guide to saving thousands on car repairs. We've covered everything from basic maintenance tips to DIY repair strategies and cost-saving techniques. Remember, a little knowledge and preparation can go a long way in keeping your car running smoothly and your bank account happy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Automotive RX for more valuable content. Until next time, drive safe and happy saving.